On the 5th day of Pilates, my instructor gave to me stabilization. What? Hi there, my name's Gretchen, founder of Balance to the Core. Today is day 5 of the 12 days of Pilates, and today we're working stabilization. So the more that you can stabilize the body, the freer your limbs are to move. I explained that a little bit before when we were doing the chest lift. But today we aren't going to move the torso at all. It's not going to flex up. It's going to stay down, and we're going to work our leg muscles. So we're going to do the single leg circle on our back. So let's give it a try. So lie down on your back with a neutral spine. And let's just take one leg up. So I have my right leg up. I'm anchoring my pelvis. My pelvis doesn't roll up with me. Anchor it down, and if this is too much of a stretch for you, you can always bend your bottom leg, okay? So I'm holding my leg here, and then I'm gonna angle my inner thigh towards my nose so I can really anchor that hip down. So anchoring the whole body, shoulders, hips, ribs, I want you to take your leg over to your opposite hip, circle it down and around, draw up to your nose. Now as I pull to my nose, I won't let my hips move. I am using my belly muscles to pull that leg towards me. Circle over and around, and I'm not moving anything in my body. I'm staying long, I'm staying engaged in the belly, and then I want you to reverse the circle. Pull the inner thigh up to the nose as you anchor everything down. Now in stabilization, hug that leg back in, you're also creating length in the spine. So you don't want to just anchor everything down so it sort of compresses. You want to anchor the bones and create length. So your tailbone is always going in the opposite direction of your head. So create that length as you reach the leg up. It changes it just a little bit. And if you are flexible and you want to drop your bottom leg, you can do it here. Just adds a little bit more intensity to it. Now, when your bottom leg is reaching long, I want you to think about anchoring your hamstring down into the mat to keep that hip joint open. Okay? So let's give it a try on the other leg. This leg can be bent or straight. Pick where you would like to do it. Anchor and then turn that inner thigh towards your nose. Go over to the opposite hip, circle it down and around, and pull it up. See how much length you can create as well as stability. You might want to go a little faster so you don't grip onto those hip flexors. And then circle the other way, and make sure your opposite leg's not moving either. It's all about stability, right? That's what the name of the game is today. And then go ahead and hug it on in. Good job. Let's put it together, okay? Starting with our 100, here we go. Single leg stretch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double leg stretch. Inhale, exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5. Roll up, 5 of them. Inhale, exhale. Into single leg circle, hug it in, stretch it up, here we go. 5 in each direction. 5, 4. Don't let the hips or shoulders move or that opposite leg. Circle the other way. Good. Other side. Stretch it up. Keep breathing. Exhale as you pull that leg to your nose. Anchor the opposite hamstring if it's lengthened. Other way. Try not to move anything. Hug it on in. Good job today.